Hello students, Sai Ram. Today we will revise the remaining part of the lesson, chapter number 4. You remember that simple equations, 2 exercises were left, so we'll revise those 2 exercises. So these are the 2 exercises we'll do today, 4.3 and 4.4. Some important questions we will revise. Now question number 1, exercise 4.3. Solve the following equations. There are 2 equations given. We will solve it. First one is 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. So as we have learned, the variable here, this is the term with the variable, will be on left side. So this we will keep it here, and this is the number part constant, which will take it to the right side of the equation. So 37, first always remember the number which is on right side, that has to be written first. So 37 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2 will be written as minus 5 upon 2, because we are transposing 5 upon 2 to right hand side of the equation. So we'll write 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. And now here you can see both the denominators are same. So here LCM of this 2 number will be 2 only. And then this 2 will subtract 37 minus 5, we will get 32. 32 divided by 2, when you reduce this, you will get 16. Now we have got 2y is equal to 16. Now we have to remove 2, because 2 is multiplied by y. So to remove this 2, we will have to divide both the side of the equation by 2. So 2y will be divided by 2, even 16 will be divided by 2. So 2y divided by 2 will become y, and 16 divided by 2 will be 8. So the solution of this equation is 8. Y is equal to 8. Now next is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Now same method, we will keep this term with the variable on left side of the equation, and then equal to, first we will write down the number. We are using transposing method here also. So first we will write down the number which is on right side. So 10 we will write, and then we will take this thing, 28 is positive here, we will take it to the other side. So plus 28 will become minus 28. 10 minus 28. We have learned this positive, negative. We will do always subtraction. So this one is positive, this one is negative. So we will do subtraction. 28 minus 10 is 18. And 28 is bigger than 10, so it has minus sign. We will write minus 18. So we will get 5t is equal to minus 18. So now we will remove this number which is multiplied by t. So this 5 is multiplied by t. So to remove this 5, we will have to divide. We will have to divide 5t by 5. Even minus 18 will be divided by 5. So 5 will be cut. We will get only t. See here it's written dividing both sides by 5. So t is equal to minus 18 upon 5. In MCQ exam, you will not have to write all this thing. You will just solve it and get the answer. And click the correct option. Now next is from exercise 4.3 only, question number 2. Again there are 2 equations here. We will solve it. 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. This is a different kind of equation. So all different kind of equation you try to practice. Now here you can see x plus 4 is enclosed in a bracket and 2 is outside. That means this 2 are multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied by x also, 2 is multiplied by 4 also. So that's why it is outside the bracket. So first what we will do, we will remove this 2. So to remove this 2 here, there is no sign but bracket is there. The meaning of bracket means multiplication. So we will have to divide. So dividing both the sides by 2, because we want to remove first this 2. So when you divide this side by 2, even this side we will divide it by 2. So we will get x plus 4 is equal to 12 divided by 2. And 12 divided by 2 will be 6. So we will get x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now we will use transposing method. We will take this thing to the plus 4, we will take it to the right side of the equation. So plus 4 will become minus 4. When you will take it to the right side, see it's written transposing 4 to RHS. So you will get 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Now next question 3 Same way we will do it. Here also there is a bracket. N minus 5 is multiplied. Both these are multiplied here by 3. And 3 is outside the bracket. That is equal to 21. So same method we'll do. We'll divide both the sides by 3 to remove this 3. So it is divided. So we will get only n minus 5 on left hand side. And here 21 will be divided by 3. And 21 divided by 3 will be 7. And then we will have to remove this 5 which is minus here. So we'll take it to the other side. So it will become positive 5. So the value of n will be 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12. So the solution of this equation is 12. N is equal to 12. Now let us do another kind of equation. Question number 3 of the same exercise. 4 is equal to 5p minus 2. So here you can see again there is a bracket, that means multiplication is there, and 5 is here, and here 4 is there. So what we can do, we can keep the variable on this side only. We will keep it here. We will take this to the other side. So here it is multiplied. When you will take it to the other side, it will become division. So that is written here, dividing both the sides by 5. So 4, we will divide it by 5. This will be divided here. So 4 upon 5. Now here p minus 2 is left. So which we will write on the right side of the equation. Now we will remove this number. Here it is negative. So we'll take it to this side. So transposing minus 2 to LHS. So when you transpose it to left side, what will happen? This minus 2 will become plus 2. So 4 upon 5 plus 2 is equal to p. Now we know how to add the fraction with the whole number. Here there is no denominator. You can write 1 here. Now the LCM of 5 and 1 is 5 only. So 5 is written. So here what will write? 4, because 5 ones are 5. 4 will be there. And here 1 is there. 1 5s are 5. And then 5 2s are 10. You know how to add them. So you will get 4 plus 10, that is 14 upon 5, which is equal to p. So we got the value of p as 14 upon 5. Now one more question. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4. In bracket here you can see m minus 6 is there. So whenever there is a bracket, you have to understand 4 is multiplied here with this also. 4 is multiplied by this. That means there is a multiplication sign here. So what we will do first? We will take this number to this side. We can write this here also. No need to take it to the other side. So we'll take the number to the left side. So 0 minus 16, because here it is positive. When you take it to this side, it will become negative. So it's written here, transposing 16 to LHS, because this is the left hand side of the equation. So 0 minus 16 is equal to, now this part we will write on right side. So 4 in bracket here, the same thing we will write m minus 6. Now 0 minus 16 is minus 16, and that is equal to, now this part again will write 4m minus 6. 4 is multiplied. Now m is multiplied by 4. Even this 6 is also multiplied by 4. But you will write as it is given. Now what we will do? You don't have to work out this. Now here you can see that there is a bracket, means multiplication. So we'll bring it to this side. We'll bring it here. So here multiplication is there. When you bring it to the other side, it will become division. So dividing both the sides by 4. So here you can see it is done. Minus 16 is divided by 4. Here also this part is divided by 4. Now this 4 will be reduced. It will be cut. You will get just m minus 6. And here minus 16 divided by 4 is minus 4. So we'll get minus 4 is equal to m minus 6. Now this part, this one you can see it is negative. So now we will have to get the value of m, we have to take this number to the left side of the equation, left hand side of the equation. So here it is negative. When you take it to this side, it will become positive. So you'll get minus 4 plus 6, which is equal to m. And here it's written, transposing 6 to LHS. Then minus 4 plus 6 minus plus, we will do minus. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And 6 is bigger than 4. It has positive sign. So we'll get 2. So the value of m is 2. Now question number 4 of the same exercise. construct three equations starting with x equal to 2, and one more question is there, construct three equations starting with x equal to minus 2. This I have explained you before, so let us again understand these two questions. See how to solve. First we will write what is given, x equal to 2. Now we have to form three equations, construct three equations using this. So here multiplying both the sides by 5. You can multiply by any other number. You have to just form an equation. So here it is multiplied by 5. Let us see how it is done. X will be multiplied by 5. So 5x. Same thing here also will do on right side. If you are multiplying left hand side of the equation by 5, right hand side also the term whatever is there, that also you have to multiply by 5. So we got a new equation, 5x is equal to 10. You can multiply by 2 also. Then you will get 2x is equal to 2 into 2, 4. So this is again an equation. So this way you can make many equations. Now then what is done? Subtracting 3 from both the sides. This equation we got. We can subtract any number from this. See 5x minus 3. So the thing is that you have to remember, if you are subtracting here by 3, on right side also you have to subtract by 3. You can't subtract by some other number here. So 5x minus 3, 10 minus 3 will get 7. So this is again one more equation. You can see here. These two are expression. 5x minus 3 and they are separated by equal to sign. So from this only we got another equation. Now one more equation also we can get. Let us use the operation division. So dividing both the sides by 2. You can take any other number for division. See here. When you are dividing by 2, every term will be divided by 2. So this one 5x also is divided by 2. 3 is also divided by 2. There is minus sign, so minus is written. 7 also will be divided by 2. So again we got another equation. So this way we got 3 equations. You can make many more equations. You can add again 2 to this. When you are adding 2 here, you have to add 2 here. Like this you can make many equations. Now the next question, x is equal to minus 2. Now here you see subtracting 2 from both the sides. So here it is subtracted. So when you are subtracting left hand side by 2, here also it is subtracted here by 2. So you will get minus 4 here, and here x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. This is again an equation, new equation form. Now again if you want, you can take this x equal to minus 2, and then let us use multiplication operation. Multiplying by 6, you can multiply by some other number also. So here it is multiplied by 6. So 6 into x. 6 into x is 6x. Same thing here also you will do on right side. Minus 2 into 6. Then you will get 6x is equal to minus 12. So again this is a new equation. Now subtracting 12 from both the sides. If you want, you can take a smaller number also. So here 12 is subtracted. See the new equation form. 6x minus 12. Minus 12 on right side also will be subtracted from 12 only. So here subtracting 12. So we'll get minus 24. Minus minus you will add. And here a new equation is again formed. And then adding 24 to both the sides. You can add a smaller number also. You can take any number. So here 24 is added just for an example. Then this equation will change to 6x minus 12 plus 24, which is equal to minus 24 plus 24. Now this 2 will be cancelled. You will get 0 here. And minus 12 plus 24, minus plus will do subtraction here. But the sign will be positive. So you will get plus 12 and 6x is already there. 6x plus 12 equal to 0. So this way another equation is formed. Actually here 4 equations are formed. This is one equation, this is second equation, this is third, this is fourth. So this way you can make many equations from the solution of the equation. Now exercise 4.4, solve the following. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmeet have? So this is the first, whenever some word problem will be given, we have to write what is given in the question. So here you will copy down what is given. The main thing, whatever is given, we will write down. So let us see how it has to be written. First we will write Parmeet's marble equal to x. because we don't know how many marbles Parmeet has, so that we will take it as x. 5 times the number of marbles Parmeet has will be 5x. Times we have learned means we have to multiply. And then plus 7. In the question they have given, Irfan has 7 more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. So 5x plus 7, which is equal to 37. Number of marbles which Irfan has is given, that is 37. Now what we'll do, we'll keep 5x here, the term we will keep on left side, and this will take it to the other side. Plus 7 will become minus 7. 37 minus 7 is 30. And then we will remove. Now we got a new equation here, 5x is equal to 30. Now we'll have to remove 5, which is multiplied here. So to remove this, we'll have to divide. So 5x upon 5 is equal to 30 upon 5. So whatever operation you're doing with left hand side of the equation, same thing we are doing here also. So you will get the value of x as 6. 5 6 are 30. So what does it mean? That Parmeet has 6 marbles. So this way you can do word problem. This all steps are not required. You will just write the equation. First you will write what is given in the question, and then you will form an equation, and then you will solve it, and then you will select the right option. Now one more question. This is set up equation and solve them. First we will set up an equation from this question. This is given in the form of statement. We will form an equation and then we have to solve it. So let us read this. Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 upon 2 of the number, the result is 23. Okay. So we'll just see what is given. We will write number, we have to find out. Let us write what is given in the question. So let the number be x, and then 5 upon 2 of this number will become 5 upon 2 x, and that is 5x upon 2, and 7 is taken away from it. So taken away we have learned before, minus 7. 5 upon 2x minus 7, and that is given is equal to, it gives 23 means equal to 23. And now you have got an equation. Now you know how to solve it. We will keep this term over here because it has the variable x, and this we will take it to the other side. First we will write down the number which is on right hand side. So that is 23, and this you will take it to this side. It will become positive 7. And then 5x upon 2, 23 plus 7 is 30. And then we will have to remove this 2 which is divided here. So we will multiply both the sides by 2. So let us multiply. Here it is multiplied 5x upon 2 into 2. Here also 30 is multiplied by 2. So you will get 5x, 2 will be cut. You will get 5x is equal to 30 into 2 is 60. Now dividing both the sides by 5, we will get here 60 upon 5, we will get 12. So this way we will find out what is the number Anwar thought of. Anwar thought of the number. This is the number he thought of, 12. Now let us do few examples of MCQ. One of the two numbers is twice the other. The sum of the numbers is 12. Find the numbers. So here there are the options given. Quickly you can write down like this in your rough paper. See, one of the two number is twice the other. So first number is x. The other number will be twice means 2x. We have learned that. And their sum is plus is equal to 12. And x plus 2x is 3x is equal to 12. Now 3 is multiplied here. 3 and x are multiplied. So to get the value of x, we have to divide by 3. So 3x is divided by 3. Directly you can write x. And this 12 also will be divided by 3. So you will get 4. So one number we got as 4. So other one will be twice. So 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So you can see this is the correct answer. So this way you will find out the right option. Now next one, in a family, the consumption of wheat is 4 times that of rice. The total consumption of 2 cereals is 80 kg. Find the quantities of rice consumed in the family. So we will first see what is given. Rice is given. And what is the other thing given? Wheat. These are the 2 cereals given. So we'll write rice is less consumed, so x. And wheat is consumed more. How many times more? 4 times. So 4x. And then we will add, because it is given that you have to add it, the total. Whenever total is given, That means we have to add. So x plus 4x is equal to 80. And 4x plus x is 5x is equal to 80. Then you know how to solve it. We'll remove this 5 by dividing both the sides by 5. So it will become x, and 80 divided by 5 is 16. So the answer is 16 kg. So this way you will find out the answer. Now next, one more MCQ question. Sum of twice a number and 4 is 18. Find the number. So sum of twice a number and 4. So twice a number, let the number be x. That I have not written because it is not required to write. You have to think, let the number be x. So twice of that number is 2x plus 4 is equal to 80. So then what you will do? Now you got an equation. Now you have to solve it. This is positive 4. Take it to the other side. It will become negative 4. So 2x is equal to 18 minus 4. So 2x is equal to 18 minus 4 is 14. And then here 2 is multiplied by x. To get the value of x, we need to remove this 2. So 2 is multiplied. We will divide both the sides by 2. So 14 divided by 2. 2x divided by 2 is x. Directly we can write x. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the answer is 7. Now one more question. If 10 is subtracted from half a number, the result is 4. So half a number, first we'll find out. Half a number means half into x. So x upon 2 minus 10, and that is equal to 4. And then we'll work out x upon 2, we'll keep it on the left hand side of the equation. This will take it to the other side. You will get x upon 2 is equal to 14. And then this is division. So when you take it to the other side, you have to multiply. So 14 2s are 28. So answer is 28. Now fill in the blank. If a number is increased by 20, it becomes 45. Then the number is. So first we will form an equation. If a number is increased by 20, so let the number be x, and you have to increase. Increase means you have to add. X plus 20 is equal to 45. And then you have to find out the value of x. Here it is positive. So by transpose method, we'll take it to the other side. Minus 20. 45 minus 20 is 25. So this is the right answer. Now children, these all are revision questions for practice. These are all word problems. Solve it in your rough notebook. Get the answer. These all questions are very important. You will get an idea how to solve MCQ questions. Here there are some more questions from simple equations only. You will solve it. And these are the questions from integers, because you have these 2 lessons for your periodic test. Practice all the questions, and all the best for your periodic test. You all should get good marks. Thank you. That's all.